Okay, your recording is started. Okay. Now, now once you finish this questionnaire like this, and once I am approved your questionnaire, okay, you have to go to Google Forms. I told you Google Forms. When you go to Google Forms like this, different thing will be there. You have to choose the first one, blank one, blank. Okay, click on the blank. Once you click on the blank, it will open like this. Okay, it will come for you like this. Now first click on this, it will open like this, untitled form. Now delete this, okay, and put your title. For example, questionnaire on women buying behavior. This is your title. Okay, questionnaire on women buying behavior. Whatever your title, that title you can put here. Then come to here down, form description. They asked here, this is next one, form description. In the form description, you can put this information. Just copy this information and you can put it here. Like, I am a student of C Vocational College conducting a survey on part of the curriculum. Okay. The topic of this questionnaire is a study on, I will change this, study on women buying behavior. A study on women buying behavior. I would be grateful if you could spare some time for your precious time and fill in the questionnaire. Thank you. Like this, something. Okay. Based on your topic, you can change this information. Now, automatically, when you go inside, this email address will be automatically provided there. This will be there automatically. If you ask or don't ask, this email address will be provided. If you want, you can change these settings, or you don't want, you can close it. Okay. Now, this is the first one. Okay, email address will be added. Now second. Now untitled question. When you click on that untitled question, again you can add this. Now, like, what is the first question? You will add your age. First question. Y is capital. Okay, your age, or you can ask what is your age? Okay, question mark. Right? Now come here. Now, how do you want this question? Normally, this multiple choice, that means click, put a click, or you want this means tick box. It will come like tick box. Okay, both this multiple choice or tick box. I like multiple choice. Okay, if you want to tick box, if you want to people to want to tick it, you can use tick box. If you want multiple choice, you can put like this, multiple choice. Okay, I like multiple choice. Okay. Now come to option 1. Click on option 1. Now what is your option 1? Age 20 to 30. Okay. Now second, you see here, second, add another. You see here, add another. You have to add another. Second option, 31 to 40. Again, add option. Third option, 41 to 50. Add another option, 51 above. Finish. Now close this one. No need. Okay. Now here, once you finish, this is the question. You want this question to be multiple choice. If you want, you can change it to checkbox also. If you change to checkbox, you see here it will change like this. If you put multiple like this multiple choice question, it will become multiple choice like this. Okay. Now you have given 4 options. Now here, come here. Now you see here this one required off and on. You see here this one off and on. Now if you put this as off, that means if the person will not answer this question also, no problem. But if you want this age means you have to put it on. If it is on means that person should compulsory answer this question. You understand? You see here email address, you see in the email address there is one star button coming here. You see here star button. You see here what is your age? You see here this is a red star is coming. If you come outside, if you go and click here, you see here red star. This one near this what is your age? You see here red star is coming. Go to this. Okay, red star is coming. Red star means that question is compulsory. Okay, if you put off, if you off this, okay, and go, you see here the red star will not come. Red star will not come. If this red star is not coming means if the person did not answer this question also, no problem. But I want everybody to answer this question, so I have to put this as required on, so it will compulsory. Now see here, so first question is email address, my second question is what is your age? I'll put tick mark, it will come tick mark. Okay, this is the first question. Now I want the name also. Okay, I forgot to add the name. So what I will do, you see here add question. If you go to here, plus sign will be there, plus sign. Okay, this is add question. So it will come add question. Now in this add question, what is your name? Now my name should be come in short answer because my everybody name is different. So everybody has to type the name. So I cannot give multiple choice checkbox. So I will use short answer. That means it will come one line. And I want this name should be compulsory. If I don't want the name, I can switch off. If I want the name compulsory means it is compulsory. Okay. So okay. So what is your name? So you see here, what is your name? I have to type the answer, short answer text I have to type. So you see here, I have put now email address, what is your name, what is your age. Now I want another question. Next question. Okay. Now after this, what I will do, if you see here, if I put it here, it is coming like 4 arrow marks. Okay. I can drag this and I can change the, for example, this question I want after age. I can drag this and put after age. Or what I can do, I can drag this top, age as top. Okay. So my question here, next question. So next question, for example, what is your qualification? Okay. So I want this to be checkbox. Okay, so I will put checkbox. So I want this as add diploma graduate. Okay, add option postgraduate. Okay, and no school. That means somebody did not go to school also. That is also another option. Okay, like this. and I want this question to be compulsory, so I will put it tick like this. Okay. Now in this, if you want to add some image also, you can add. If you have some images, if you want to put some images, you can put some images in that place and you can do it. For example, I want to put some image. For example, this image. I want to put this image. Okay. So you see here, this image is coming here like this. Okay. Now for this image, I can give some title. Okay. And you can ask, what did you identify this image, or do you know this image? Something like this you can ask, or if you want, you can delete it. Like this, you can add all your, for example, these questions, all your questions one by one, one by one, one by one. You can add like age, then again you can add another question. Okay. And if it is multiple choice or if it is drop or something, you can anything, or you want to insert date, or you want to insert time, you want to insert grid box, something like this. For example, you can put question like 1 here, 2 like this. Many things you can insert, no problem. Anything you can do it. You want multiple choice, okay, or you want to add some description. Okay, like for example, for you want to add a title, for example, what is your comments? Okay, what is your comments? This is one question. Okay, so this is a description question. This is a description question. Okay, so they will type their answer here. There is no options providing. Okay, there is only something like, okay, I like to see something, anything they will answer here in this place. Okay, some questions can be description, some questions can be like this optional, some questions can be different types of questions. For example, here you asked excellent, good, average, poor. Okay, so like for example, you can add another question. Okay, this question. Okay, how do you like TV advertisement? How do you like TV advertisement? Okay, good. Next, you can add next option. Bad. Something like this. Okay. Now this is your sample questionnaire is ready. Okay. Once your sample questionnaire, everything is ready. Okay. Once you finish everything, you see everything is correct. Okay. You have to go here. Okay. In this three dot. You see here top. Beside this send, there is one 3 dot here. More. Go there. Okay, before that you can do preview. Okay, how is your questionnaire? Okay, this is your questionnaire. See here, this is how your questionnaire will be sent to the people. This is the questionnaire. This will send it to your people. Okay, now what happens is, for example, I am you send this questionnaire to me, so I am putting my email address, my name, my age, okay, my qualification, everything. I am putting good. Okay, what is your comments? Some comments I am putting. Okay, and I am doing submit. So your questionnaire on women buying behavior, your response has been recorded. This will come to me. To those who are sending, it will come to me. Now you are the person who have done this. Okay, you see here beside question there is one called responses. If you go to responses, you see here my name, what is my answer, everything I will get here. To whomever Mr. Yes, Mr. Fine, Mr. Yeah, I'm going. I'm in online class only. Hmm. My class is going online. I'm just online only. They can check anytime from 1 o'clock. Muhammad Salim, I don't know. In the morning he has class, but now I don't know what is it. I will send you a number too. No problem. But now I'm taking the class. I'm online. They can check. Okay, wait for 1 second. I will just come. Okay. Now you see here. So once you get all these responses, okay, once you get all these responses, the response, one response, you see here, the response is one. So all the responses you will get and you will show automatically the graph, everything you will show. Okay. Now, how to send this link? Okay. Now you see here, how to send this link. Now you see here, click send. Okay. When you click send, this will open. Okay. Now you go to here, this one. This link is there. Okay. Go to this link. Okay. And the link for this form, this is the link for this form. This full is the link. Okay. If you put copy, it will come copy. Or what you can do is if you click on here, your link will become short. If you put like this is the very big link. Okay. But if you click here, your link will become short. Once the link is short, you can copy the link. Okay. Once you copy the link, you can go to your WhatsApp and you can copy this link and send in the WhatsApp to your friends. Okay. You can go to the WhatsApp and you can send this link to any of your WhatsApp friends. You can send it. Now, for example, you see I'm sending this link to you. Okay. Now, where is this graduation project? Now I will go and paste here. Okay. Now check in your WhatsApp. Did you get this link or not?
We get it, Mister.
Okay. Now everybody submit the response. Submit your answers. All of you fill this response. I will show you. Now see here, Mazoon876@gmail.com. She has finished. Nuran223@hotmail.com. She has finished. Okay. Whoever is finishing, I will get their information here. Okay. And automatically, you see the graph, I will get what is your age. The graph is ready. My qualification is ready. Automatically, I will get all the answers. The graph, I will get it. Only two people. Other people, please start submitting it. Al-Wahabi. Now there's a fourth one. Abdul Aziz has submitted. Whenever whoever is submitting, automatically you see here number 4. If anybody else will submit, it will become 5, 6 like this. Everything will be added here. My responses will be added here. You see 4 responses. Please, other people also please submit. Five. Now somebody else has added. Okay. Meera has added. Okay. 6. Now it became 6. So as many people are submitting, you will know all the responses automatically. For all the responses, their name, you will see the names. Everybody names will be here. What is their answer will be here. Their qualification, everything, it will automatically convert into graph. Okay. Now once it is finished, what you will do, you see here there is one called copy chart. There is one sheet called copy chart. Copy chart. Just you need to copy and go to your Word file wherever you are preparing the report. Go and paste it. Control C and Control V. Paste it. Automatically it will get pasted. Actually, you can paste it, but I'll show you, or you can directly. Okay, so 8 responses are there. All these responses you can paste it, or if you want, you can download, or you can print. Means you can print all the responses. Okay, anything you can do. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare your questionnaire. You need to prepare a questionnaire, and you will know all your responses. It will be showing in the responses section. Okay, all the names, everything, it will come here, and you can copy. Actually, you can copy this chart and you can paste it also, but now it is not happening. So I will show you next time. If you want, you can customize the theme. You can choose header, and you can change the color. Many things you can do. This thing, I think you can do it by your own. Okay. Changing the color and remaining other things, you can do it. Okay, is this clear now? How to prepare your question and how to make this format, and you can send, and how to send it to your customers, and when they reply the answer, how you will get, you are getting the responses. 9 people responses, like how many people are responding, all the names, email IDs, everything you will know here, and answers. Your chart is also automatically prepared, and you can copy this chart into your Word file and do your report. Okay. So this is what your project, what to say, questionnaire, how to prepare project questionnaire and everything. And one more point I want to discuss is about your presentation. Next week I have sent you presentation. Did you receive the presentation schedule? Is it clear? Okay.
Yes.
Everybody is okay with the presentation schedule for next week?
Yes. What do you want us to present about?
What you prepared till now, chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, for
Chapter
example,
3, no. Chapter 3.
Chapter 3, by next week you cannot complete, no? So next week on Sunday I have one group and Tuesday I have another group, okay? So the Sunday people and Tuesday people, they will prepare chapter 1 and chapter 2, okay? And they will present it. Just like normal presentation, for example, you see here, this is a presentation. You can keep your, here remove project graduation and keep your project title, whatever project title you can keep here. For example, study on women buying BHA behavior. This is your project title, okay? Next slide. Introduction, okay? Type some two points about introduction. Next page, objectives of the study. You give 1, 2, 3, 4 objectives, whatever how many objectives you have. In the next slide, what is there? Limitation. Finished. Chapter 1 is finished. Then next slide, chapter 2. Chapter review of literature. First literature, second one, third one. Finish. Put all the information there and you can start presenting your presentation. And I want all the students who have participated should present, okay? Whatever your team is there, if you are having 3 members in your team, all the 3 members should present, okay? So share your slide with the team members. You understand? If there are some 5 slides in your what to say in your presentation, share all the 5 slides between all the people, okay? So that everybody will present there. Everybody should present that slide in that report. Is it clear, or you want anything more information?
Clear.
Anything more doubts you have?
No doubts till now.
Okay. So anything more you have, you can ask. You can ask me in my WhatsApp group. I will respond to you. Okay.
Okay.